Good afternoon. This is Wildbird Rehabilitation, and we wanted to share today another fun and easy project that children of all ages can certainly do. These are woodpecker stumps. We do receive quite a few woodpeckers throughout the year, and of course they love to be on trees. That's their natural feeding station, if you will. And we have several examples to show you guys today, and ultimately how one can make them on their own. There are a couple basic things to consider when one is making a project like this. First of all, you want to consider the base that these little logs will be nailed or screwed to. That's going to provide stability, so when these woodpeckers do in fact use these, they don't topple over. It sounds basic, but believe me, that is sometimes overlooked. Secondly, and also just as important, you'll notice the tops of some of our stumps here have little holes that are drilled in. Those are by design. Those allow our food choices, such as flicker mix, and maybe we'll stick some fruit in those crevices. That allows for our birds to eat, again, in a more natural way. Some of our trees that we chose to show you today had these in naturally. Other times, such as this one here, one would just simply use a drill bit and drill some holes in it, and that's easy to do. These are the basic materials all one needs. We have a Phillips head screwdriver, we have our pre-cut log, and we have our pre-cut base as well. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. We have the log upside down, which is where the base ultimately will go. We have our screws already, screwdriver, and a couple twists, and you have yourself a feeding station for Wildbird Rehabilitation's woodpeckers. Alright, here are the dimensions for our woodpecker stumps. We'll start with the height on 3 examples. This one is around 7 inches tall. We have about 9 inches on that one, and about 5.5 on that. Next we'll go to the base, and these are approximate as well, maybe 5.5 inch square, 6 inch square, and about 4.5 inches square. Again, these are approximate, but the height is what we're mostly concerned with at this point, just so they'll fit in the baskets.